The laptop exhibits a gaming-centric design, featuring strategically positioned heat vents and speakers that collectively enhance the overall gaming experience. These carefully engineered attributes significantly contribute to its performance and usability. In terms of connectivity, the device includes a 3.2Gen Type 1 port alongside a Type-C microphone input, providing users with versatile options for integrating various peripherals and accessories. This multifaceted connectivity ensures that users can easily adapt to their individual needs. The MSI N15 laptop demonstrates an impressive boot-up time, requiring only approximately 12 to 15 seconds to reach operational status. Such efficiency greatly enhances the user experience by minimizing delays and optimizing productivity. Additionally, the laptop features a translucent keyboard equipped with properly designed backlighting, which significantly enhances the visual experience during use. This particular element proves especially beneficial in low-light environments, facilitating a seamless user interface. Powering this laptop is an Intel i5 12th generation processor coupled with 8 GB of RAM, while it supports a remarkable capacity of up to 64 GB of RAM. This configuration allows for robust performance, particularly in multitasking scenarios. Moreover, the device boasts a replaceable SSD paired with the latest Wi-Fi 6E technology, thereby ensuring rapid data access and enhanced connectivity options for users who require high-speed internet connectivity. In terms of performance metrics, the laptop achieved a benchmark score of 423 in Cinnamon, with a multi-core score exceeding 10,000. These impressive figures underscore its formidable performance capabilities in various computational tasks. The price analysis reveals that the laptop originally retailed for 43,000 rupees. However, following the application of cashback offers, the effective price was significantly reduced, illustrating the value proposition it provides. Looking ahead, the forthcoming content will delve into specific gaming tests and potential upgrade paths, underscoring an ongoing commitment to engaging viewers with additional insights and information regarding the laptop.